If you're trying to figure out if a cold plunge setup like this is actually worth it, come with me and my mom while we set this up for the very first time. This was provided to me so I could try it out and show it to you, and honestly, we ended up loving it way more than we expected. The setup was actually pretty manageable too. Just make sure you follow the directions provided and you'll be good to go. When it came to filling this bad boy up, it literally took no time at all. Once everything was connected, the touchscreen controls were really straightforward to use. I also like that it has a built-in filter system and circulating pump, so the water stays cleaner over time instead of immediately getting gross. A lot of people use cold plunges as a part of their wellness and recovery routines, and I can definitely see why these setups have gotten so popular lately. How'd that feel?
Oh, wonderful.
A lot of people ask how long it takes the water to get cold, and I was genuinely impressed because it started chilling way faster than I expected. And I'm not gonna lie, those first few seconds in the water are absolutely freezing. But after we got out, we immediately understood why people are obsessed with cold plunging. It also comes with a cover, which makes a big difference, especially for outdoor setups like a cabin like ours, because it helps keep leaves, bugs, and random debris out of the water. The tub itself is massive, and it definitely feels roomy once you get in. It kept the water consistently cold without constantly needing bags of ice, and honestly, I already cannot wait to keep using it this summer. You gotta check this out and let me know what you think.